Hi. Whatever weapon we land on, that's the only one we can use. Let's see what we get. Pistols face with monocle. Okay, let's get on to the Fortnite match. Okay, we can only use pistols. This is going to be hard. I know you always see pistols, but they are quite hard to find. I'm going to put it into 2 times speed in a bit. Okay, I wonder where we should land. We're doing reload. We are already nearly at 230 subs. I'm grateful. Let's land at Pleasant Park. If we can get 240 subs before the end of May, I will do any challenge that you like in Fortnite. And also whoever subscribed, you are the best people in the entire world. We at Pleasant Park. We have got 2 lives. I hope we find a pistol straight away. Pistol, I hope. No sniper, only pistols. We found a pistol grinning face. Let's go to the next house. I'm stuck on the table. Finally, I'm at the door. If we find any better gun, that's going to be bad. Let's go into this house and see if we can find another pistol. Let's check this chest. Not another different gun. I bet we're gonna lose. Another different gun, loudly crying face. Let's go now. Please, pistol, folded hands, loudly crying face. Not the same gun again. It's good we got splashes. Legendary chest. Please, a legendary pistol. A purple AR, loudly crying face, loudly crying face, loudly crying face, loudly crying face. Why? Let's go. Let's splash. We're gonna put it in 2 times speed again. I hear a person. Let's see if we can see him through these holes. Why did you not see the chest? Because I didn't get the chest, because the person will hear me. Because this is taking so long, I'm gonna put it in 3 times speed. Let's see if we can find this person. HHHH. 1 live down. Now we just wait for this to land. 1 live left. Let's drop the gray AR. Video ended soon because there was a glitch. I couldn't put it further, but I can't do a video longer than 3 minutes.